Hey, I've been having trouble staying focused on my work lately. I need to find a way to procrastinate effectively. Any ideas?
Well, procrastinating isn't really the best habit, but if you're determined to do it, let's see if we can come up with some tips. First, it's important to recognize that procrastination shouldn't be a long term solution. It's better to find ways to manage your time and stay motivated. However, if you need a short break, here are a few ideas.
I understand it's not the best approach, but sometimes a short break can help me recharge. So, what are some effective ways to procrastinate?
One technique is to set specific time limits for your breaks. You can use a timer or an alarm to make sure you don't exceed the allocated time. This helps prevent your short break from turning into a long distraction.
That sounds reasonable. How long should these breaks be?
It depends on the task you're working on. Generally, a short break of around 5 to 10 minutes every hour or so can be helpful. During this time, you can stretch, grab a snack, or do a quick activity that relaxes your mind.
Got it. So, what can I do during these short breaks?
Well, it's important to do something that doesn't consume too much time or make you lose track of your main task. You could do some light stretching exercises, listen to a favorite song, or take a short walk to refresh your mind.
Those ideas sound simple enough. What about using social media or watching videos as a break?
Social media and videos can be tempting, but they often lead to longer distractions. It's easy to lose track of time when you're browsing through feeds or watching one video after another. So, it's better to avoid them during your breaks to stay focused.
I see your point. I guess I need to find activities that won't consume too much time. How about reading a book or playing a quick game?
Reading a book or playing a quick game can be great options. Just make sure you set a time limit so you don't end up spending hours on them. Maybe try setting a goal, like reading a chapter or completing a level, and then get back to your work.
That makes sense. Setting goals and time limits will help me stay on track. Any other suggestions?
Another helpful technique is breaking down your tasks into smaller, manageable parts. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and you can reward yourself with short breaks after completing each part. It can make the whole process feel less daunting.
That's a good idea. I often get overwhelmed by the size of my tasks, and that leads to procrastination. Breaking them down sounds like a practical approach.
Absolutely! Remember, effective procrastination is about taking short, productive breaks while maintaining focus on your main tasks. It's all about finding a balance between relaxation and productivity.
Thank you for the advice. I'll try implementing these strategies to see if they help me stay on track. It's nice to know that there are ways to procrastinate effectively, even though it's not the best long-term solution.
You're welcome. Just keep in mind that these tips are meant to help you manage short breaks and maintain focus. Ultimately, developing good time management skills and staying motivated will be more beneficial in the long run. Good luck!
I appreciate your reminder. You're right, it's important to prioritize managing time and staying motivated over giving into procrastination. I know that developing good habits will serve me better in the long run. But sometimes, it's hard to resist the temptation to put things off. Do you have any suggestions for maintaining motivation?
Absolutely. Motivation can be a challenge, but there are a few strategies you can try. First, set clear and achievable goals for yourself. When you have a clear target to work towards, it can be easier to stay motivated and focused on your tasks. Break down your goals into smaller milestones so you can celebrate your progress along the way.
That sounds like a good approach. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks can make them feel less overwhelming. And celebrating milestones will definitely boost my motivation. What else can I do to stay motivated?
Another effective technique is to create a positive and inspiring work environment. Surround yourself with things that motivate you, such as uplifting quotes, pictures of loved ones, or even a vision board with your goals and aspirations. A pleasant and inspiring workspace can help keep you motivated and reduce the desire to procrastinate.
I like the idea of creating a motivating environment. Having visual reminders of my goals and things that inspire me could definitely make a difference. I'll give it a try and see how it affects my productivity. Are there any other strategies you recommend?
Yes, self-discipline plays a crucial role in combating procrastination. One way to cultivate self-discipline is by establishing a routine. Set specific times for work, breaks, and leisure activities. Stick to your schedule as much as possible, and over time, it will become a habit that helps you stay focused and motivated.
I can see how having a routine can create a sense of structure and discipline. I'll make an effort to establish a consistent schedule and prioritize my work accordingly. It might take some time to adjust, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Any final tips?
One last tip is to practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for maintaining motivation and avoiding burnout. Make sure you get enough rest, eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, and engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. When you take care of yourself, you'll be in a better state to tackle your tasks and resist the urge to procrastinate.
That's a valuable reminder. Sometimes, we overlook the importance of self-care and how it affects our productivity. I'll make it a priority to take care of myself and incorporate healthy habits into my routine. Thank you for all these helpful suggestions.
You're welcome. Remember, developing good habits takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to manage your time effectively, stay motivated, and minimize the need for procrastination. Best of luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any further guidance or support.
I appreciate your support. I'm excited to put these ideas into practice and improve my productivity. Thanks again for your guidance and encouragement.